I'm the owner of a female-founded law firm, predominantly female, in an industry that historically has a male influence and is now coming to a very different face of law, which has been a refreshing outlook given where law started when I started law 25 years ago.
International Women's Day is a very special day for me because it's actually my son's birthday, and I don't think there's any bigger celebration of being a woman than having a child.
The women in my life have been huge contributors to the person that I am today, both personally and professionally. My mum and Adrian, the partner of Coutts.
As a mum of two daughters, I hope for a future for them where there is better gender equality so they can pursue whatever role or career they wish to without facing any barriers just based on their gender.
I have been inspired and empowered by a number of women. Personally, I have been inspired by my mum. She's probably the most important woman in my life, who has taught me to be resilient, strong, to break barriers and to keep fighting no matter what the situation is. In terms of professionally, I have always been inspired by Adriana. She has also taught me resilience, strength, and what it takes to grow to be able to excel in my career and be empowered as a woman.
International Women's Day is really close to my heart because I have gone through the stages of a career, a mother, a friend, and also a partner. Being accepted and being part of an innovative space is really important to me, and I'd love to see where we are in another 10 years.
I understand this year's theme, Cracking the Code, to be centred around innovation, and particularly tech-enabled innovation, which will allow women globally to have better access to education, advance their skills and knowledge, which will in turn put us at the forefront of accelerating towards gender equality.
I think that there are various ways that International Women's Day helps us to think about how we can empower other women. There's all the usual things, such as minimising the pay gap, flexible workspaces, and more women in leadership roles. But I also think that there's an opportunity to mentor our younger generation of women. As a mum of a little daughter, I believe that early education is imperative to growth and change.
We really have made huge strides. But in saying that, I think it's also an important day to realise that we have a long way to go. We may be able to vote, we may be able to own property, and we may be able to work, but there is definitely an unconscious bias when it comes to women.
International Women's Day is really important to me in relation to law because we have challenges internationally about women having access to the legal system or people from different challenging backgrounds. And this is really important to me because I feel that being a mum of two girls, that I want them to have the exact same opportunity as any counterpart, be it male or female, in any decision they decide to do in their life.